here we go. 3, 2, 1. Before we start this video, I want to do the giveaway winners. There's 2 winners, and this was for the wireless phone holder from Lostfit Auto Lighting. It's an awesome product, so let's do our 2 winners. I told you guys that all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, comment down on this video, Supercharged G35 flyby. This is when I announced the giveaway. All you had to do was comment. So let's go ahead. We have around 217 comments. Go on the YouTube random comment picker. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to the video, and then we're gonna go ahead and filter duplicate users just so everybody has a fair chance. I always do that on all my giveaways. So let's go ahead and get YouTube comments. Hey guys, I recorded the giveaway winners and my camera just absolutely went insane and it didn't freaking end up getting the film, but I don't want to redo it because the winners were already chosen and then I would just be rigging it or not fair to them. So I luckily remember who they were, so here they are. So our 2 winners, our Johan Martinez, who said torque is what kills our VQ, not horsepower. That is very indeed true. And we have Dante Bautista, who was our #1 winner, who said hope I win. So thank you two for being our winners for today's giveaway. What you gotta do is go ahead and send me an email to my email. Kind of redundant. My email is down in the description down below. Go ahead and shoot me an email, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, if we don't receive a reply within like 3 days, we'll go ahead and choose new winners. So with that being said, thank you guys for joining the giveaway. Congratulations, and let's get on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now for today's video, I am going to be fixing something that I did to my G35 that I completely regret till this day because it just did not sit right here in my heart. It just didn't. So today we're gonna go ahead and fix that. I'm also recording this another day and my bumper broke, so let's go back in time when I recorded that. With that being said though, one piece of the G35 is still here though. The front bumper, and that is because the front bumper actually broke, bro. These little tabs, they broke because when I air out, it like causes pressure and like it snapped off the bolts. And so I had to create this freaking, I don't know how I did it, but I'm just a genius. So I just made something here and hopefully it held up. But with that being said, I want to say welcome to all of you new viewers. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. All you gotta do is smash the like button, comment down below what you guys think in the video, and let me know what you guys think of how the G35 looks now. But some updates for the G35. We have our tune day in about 2 weeks. We are getting retuned because you guys know my boosted G35 has a major boost leak. If you haven't checked that video out, click in the eye somewhere around here. But you can go ahead and check that video out. It's a major boost leak. We're gonna have to get retuned for that, and hopefully we can cross that 400 wheel horsepower mark. Let's go ahead and catch up with the car. I forgot my camera battery, so I had to come back, but let's go meet up with my friend. He gave me a ride, so let's go. So we're here back at the Genzilla headquarters. All right guys, so we got the boy Genzilla over here and JC. Got the car up on Jackson's. I don't know what's going on with the back one, but we're about to put a new color on the calipers, guys. You guys can see back here, it's like yellow. So you guys saw a couple videos ago, I think it was like, what, like 2 months ago? Something like that, 2 months ago. My calipers were chipped, they were in kind of bad condition, so I decided to paint them. So I was like, we gotta go with a different color, you know, switch things up. So we decided to go with this color. My original plan was to go orange, but I don't know what the hell happened, and we ended up doing like a red orange, and it kind of looks like the paint is like not too bad, but it kind of looks shitty, bro. Like this color. So I know a lot of you guys told me, and I even told myself, I was like, this color is not it. So today we're actually gonna be painting them back to yellow because I think that's the best color that goes with the car. So here we got our primer once again. We got our super special effects to add that super good glitter, and then we got that super nice yellow that we're gonna be adding to the car. We need more energy, bro. Ready?
Whoa,
3.
God, I can't be doing that.
3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Just for a quick
Whoa, you had some. What the hell happened there? Got like a heart attack or something. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Just a quick reminder, December 31st, if we get 30K subscribers, this boy's about to get rid of his GTR style taillights. For free.
For what?
For free. Sheesh. Free shipping, all you gotta do.
What they gotta do?
30K subscribers.
Damn. You guys heard it here, folks. I'm gonna leave that shit on. The fucking your commentary. Oh fuck. How closer can you get? Yeah, not bad. It's just the color with ass. I'm older than you, bro. Then why was he following us like freaking tailgating kind of marking us?
Probably tailgating.
Guys, we just finished sanding all 4 sides. Just like a light sand, 320. We might hit it with the 600. We're about to hit this with the yellow can of paint. It like exposes the cracks.
Yeah, you know when they like when you're at school and they say highlight important stuff. Hey, all the paint people are just closing their eyes right now.
Yeah, low key.
And like, what the hell is this dude doing?
This shit juicy yellow, bruh.
Y'all never seen any paint calipers
This is
rip.
juicy yellow. Let's finish the car. Check them out. Let me know if you guys like them better. The condition isn't as best as the first one, but if you look at them from far, you won't notice. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Check it out. We're going back to the yellow. Although I think this yellow is a little bit more neon than the one that we had before. This one kind of looks more like a highlighter yellow a little bit. But I mean, it still shines and it's way better than the color that we had before, the red orange. If you look at it from this angle, wait, I'm too close. Like this angle over here, hold up, I'm too close. If you look at it from like this, hold up, maybe like a little bit further. There you go. If you look at it from like this angle right here, dude, they look mint. I mean, they're not that bad. They're a little drippy, not gonna cap, but I mean,
Who doesn't love drip?
yeah, bro. Who doesn't love drip, man? So, new side skirt for the G35 coming soon. Don't worry, guys. Alright guys, we're back home. Now we just gotta grab this freaking sticker right here, Akabono, and put it on the brakes. That thing look broken, huh? Damn. Alright guys, let me show you guys the color. Here's the color again, yellow. Has a little bit more sparkle. I don't even know if you guys can tell or not. It's really hard to tell, to be honest, but the good thing is that it's back to yellow. That was my point. It's back to yellow. Upside down, we got yellow. Strobe light, strobe light, strobe light. Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about the yellow calipers. They look a lot better. I feel a lot better. And they just look a lot whole better. Anyways, though, we are getting more stuff for the Miata coming very, very soon. So I'll catch you guys next video with some more Miata content. I'm super excited to start that build. And we're going to make it look a lot more fresh next video. So thank you guys for all the support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.